Welcome, today we're going to show you how to download Need for Speed Most Wanted 2005 copy. So I'll see from here there's more than one way to get the 2005 copy, but the last method is the best method that I will show you. So the first thing that you can do is to open GOG and see if someone is selling the 2005 copy. I'll see from here, you can just search for it. Also you can open the loaded CD keys, I'll see from here. But I'll see this is the 2012 copy. Also you can just open eBay from here and you can search for someone who is selling the 2005 copy. There's a lot of people who is selling the PS2 copy. You can just play it on an emulator or something, but you can actually do the last method, which is the best method to get Need for Speed Most Wanted 2005. So here's a Reddit form. I can't actually just enter the link, but you can just search through this Reddit form and you can find the link and open it. So there's a lot of people who is sharing the links from here to download the game. So that's actually how you download Need for Speed Most Wanted 2005 copy. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.